In front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and let me show you how to manage battery percentage in this device. So as you can see, currently it is displayed here, right next to the battery icon. However, if you want to hide it or maybe have it in a different place, just open the settings, locate and open battery, and click on battery percentage. So as you can see, you can either hide it by tapping on do not show, and from now on it is hidden, you cannot see the particle or the current battery level. You can go with next to the battery icon, so the one that we had, and inside battery icon. So now it is located in the battery picture. And this is it. This is how you can manage battery percentage in your status bar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.